y'all, welcome back to Ukulele Wine Time. My name is Kathryn. Today we're going to talk about how to hold your ukulele. Ukulele Wine Time. All right, let's get started. So you got your ukulele. It's going to rest in the crook of your right arm, and your left arm is the one, or your left hand, left arm is the one that's going to be playing chords on the fretboard, chords and melodies over here. So just starting there with that orientation. This is my right arm, and then left arm up here holding the neck. We'll start there. Now I've got my right forearm, which is gonna hug the front of the ukulele slightly here. So crook of my right arm. Okay. And then keeping in mind that your right hand will need to stay free. So I'm not, yes, I'm holding it like this just to hold it up, but your right hand needs to be free to strum the ukulele. So it's really kind of this area right here on my right arm that's hugging the ukulele to keep it up there. So I'm free to strum here and then play chords with my left hand, or melodies there. Now about where it goes on your body. So it's gonna go kind of midsection here. It's gonna be a little bit different for everybody, to be honest, just because we all have different body shapes and sizes. So find a place where it feels comfortable for your body to hold your ukulele. For some people, it might be a little bit lower if you've got something going on up here. For other people, it might feel better to hold it up higher on your chest. So just play around with that and see what feels good to you. Let's talk about the left hand now. So it is resting a little bit on my pointer finger here, but keeping in mind that, again, you want to be free to be able to move freely about the fretboard over there. Your elbow over here, so this is an important piece of the puzzle. You want to make sure your elbow is kind of fluid. It's a little bit away from your body. It's going to be moving around depending on which chord you're playing, where you're playing on the neck. You just want to make sure you don't have to think about your elbow too much. The most important thing is that it's not scrunched up against your body or not like leaning, putting weight on it. So it's making your posture like that. So there's your elbow. Now your thumb is behind the neck of the ukulele. This is another area where you'll want to find what feels most comfortable to you. You'll see some players have their thumb curled all the way around the side like this. Others might have it pressed to the back slightly. So kind of find, again, what feels the best for you there. I tend to switch it up a little bit, but you'll probably see my thumb peeking out a little bit there. Now, as far as which way to point the neck, and you know what? Let's take a quick wine break. Let all that sink in. Oh man, that's really yummy. It's like vanilla and yum. Okay, little wine pause. Let's take another pause. I want to talk about shoulders. So why don't we just take a couple shoulder rolls back? I think we could all use some shoulder rolls right now. Take a couple back. Maybe do a couple neck rolls. Let your head hang nice and loose, side to side. Oh, that feels nice. Do a couple shoulder rolls forward. So when you're playing your ukulele, you just want to make sure that your shoulders are nice and relaxed. You're not having a lot of tension in your shoulders, but nice and relaxed. So if you need that reminder, just do a couple shoulder rolls backward or forward, and you'll be in good shape there. And then posture kind of goes without saying, but sitting up straight and having good posture there. But again, those relaxed shoulders is good practice for your ukulele. Last, let's talk about the neck of your ukulele. So if we're a clock here, here's 12 o'clock, 1, 2, 3. I like to hang out between like 2 and 3 o'clock over here. That can be a nice area to hang out. Some people might be lower down here. But generally I'm kind of at this sort of diagonal here when I'm playing. Another option for you, so this is just a more, not formal, but just kind of traditional way to hold the ukulele. You can also just rest it on your leg if you're working stuff out, or you're just hanging out, playing songs, you're around the campfire. Cool. Rest it on your leg if that feels good to you, and you can have it more up here. can see the chords better. So try that out too. That can be another option for you. I think I've covered everything. Let me know if I've forgotten anything. Just a note about straps. You might be wondering, do I need a strap? Honestly, I'm not sure. I've actually never tried playing with a strap. I would really like to, but thus far in my ukulele playing journey, I have not used a strap, so I can't speak to that. I'd say first starting out, just see what you can do on your own, with just you and your ukulele. And then if you feel like you are really struggling there, you might want to explore getting a strap. So that is all for today. Thanks for joining me. I hope this helped you out a lot. If this video helped you, please cheers the like button below. Cheers to you, and I'll see you soon. Ukulele wine time.